Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. And I know what probably the majority of the people here are thinking. It's been a long graduation ceremony. So you're gonna love what I have. I decided that because we really only had half of our high school experience, it's only right if my speech is half as long. I think I just heard a speech with a sigh of relief, so I don't know how to feel about that. Well, grads, it's been a pretty tough 4 years, hasn't it? Not only did we have to go through the regular ups and downs of high school, we had to go through a pandemic as well. But before I start my real speech, I have to say good evening teachers, administrators, parents, family, friends, but most importantly, Bluebell's class of 2022. I want to say what an honor it is for me to be up here today and to be a part of this special occasion. Throughout my journey at Bluebell, I had the opportunity to meet so many special people, and I want to let you know that this was not possible without your help. You're a real one. I also want to thank my parents for always supporting me, and my 2 siblings who've always spoken the truth, even when I didn't ask for their opinion. So back to graduation, we made it. When we look back at grade 9, we can all agree that despite our different backgrounds, we were equally faced with the same challenge of conquering Bluebell. When we first entered through those doors, some of us were nervous, oblivious of what to expect, as ideas of fitting in flooded our minds. However, as time went by, we became more comfortable. We started to play sports, joined clubs, we made our own clubs, and sooner or later we were acquainted with our faculty and our classmates. But just as it felt like our experiences were really getting started, everything came to a sudden end. Then came the next few years, and every year was a year we learned more about ourselves. These experiences shaped who we are today. Whether we realize it or not, this long process meant we got stronger both mentally and physically. Some focused on building character, responsibility, confidence, and some of us even got a glow up. And now, sitting in these chairs just moments after we received our diplomas, it looks like the end of a journey. But I assure you, this is just the beginning. Once again, we're all in the same position as grade 9, where we have to face another great challenge in our lives. This fall, some of us will attend university or college, others will head into the world of work, return to Bluebell to further their education, or travel the world. Though our pathways are different, as a group, we will be continuing to pursue futures that are yet to be determined and pursuing true independence. Despite whatever journey awaits you, know that there will be times where you will face adversity and life just won't be easy. But remember, you are never alone. We have sources of support, whether it's your family, your friends, and in times of desperation, we have spark notes. Things simply can't always go your way. We all know what this feels like. There were times this past year where we all struggled. I know that myself had a bad case of senioritis, and I felt like I was losing hope. But I didn't give up, and I know that you guys won't give up, because we are adaptable. Think about it. This last year, we pushed through lockdowns, masking, and if you remember, quadmesters. On top of that, if we can be resilient by going through years of facial acting, maybe even worse by face masks, but still be the best looking Bluebell graduate class ever, then you can go through this thing. I also want to urge the graduating class 2 things for the future. Firstly, whatever future endeavor you take on, you will always be a knight. So remember to do your best, because you're not only representing yourself, but Bluebell and the faculty that work within it. Secondly, always remember the people who brought you where you are. Because even though a challenge seems like it's a 1v1, is the support around you that makes any challenge easier. Actually, this is a great opportunity for me to say I want to personally thank all the Goodwill faculty for all the hard work you guys put in over the past few years. Grads, if you have the opportunity to play on a sports team, run a club, or take part in school events, I hope that those great memories we share, that you know that those great memories we share are from the heavy commitments that the Goodwill faculty made. And yes, there are times when some of the teachers might chirp you, and some of them might snarl at you because you don't have the same opinion on who's the best Canadian hockey team, Gophers. But these teachers did put a lot of hard work for us, and this was especially presented during the pandemic. Additionally, we have to thank the salary heroes at the school, such as the custodians, office assistants, survey employees, supervision monitors, educational assistants, as well as the school's CYW and social workers. All of these people worked diligently throughout the pandemic to keep us safe. We also need to recognize that how the whole staff went above and beyond to give us a normal senior year. And for all these things, let's give them a round of applause. As I mentioned before, I was honored to be chosen by this class to deliver this speech, but we should remember that this isn't my day, this is our day. Let's take a moment to congratulate ourselves. We showed grit, perseverance, and succeeded these past 4 years, and it's finally time for us to celebrate. We earned it. I hope that you are as proud of yourselves as I am of all of you. I would like to end this speech off with a quote that we're all familiar with, non qui sed quid, which translates to, it's not who you are, but what you are. Meaning that even if you become the first person on Mars or the founder of a big company, it's your positive impact on the people that really matters. Because as we part ways today, the memories we made with each other will be the thing that sticks. And as this speech comes to a close, I would like to ask all the grads to please stand up now and join me in the tradition of throwing the hats. I'm also going to give parents second to get the parents ready because this is a good history on the photo. Okay, yes, if everyone's ready. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.